everyone, I am once again coming at you making another video type that I don't normally make, and today is in regards to Activision Blizzard. Recently, the state of California has released a 2-year investigation on the company regarding the treatment of its employees, and what they found is just completely despicable and disgusting. And as a result of what has been released, which I won't go super in depth on, there's a billion trillion videos out right now that you can check it out that'll probably go down and beat by beat and break down everything that was said and found and done. But as a result of this new information coming to light, I have removed the World of Warcraft 3D videos as well as the 3D review for Warcraft, and I will no longer continue to make any videos associated with World of Warcraft or anything Blizzard related for the foreseeable future. Just the actions of how people treated each other and the gross and atrocious, disgusting, unprofessional atmosphere that Blizzard has fostered at their game development headquarters is just completely unacceptable. Not even just for the games industry, but any industry, any group or corporation or company, just absolutely atrocious. There's no excuse for this sort of behavior, and I am very, very, very upset about this because vanilla World of Warcraft was my childhood. Some of the fondest memories I have as a kid was playing that game, and now not only does the game suck, but apparently the company is really, really, really crappy to work for as well. It's really sad to say, and I know people have been saying this for years, but I really think with World of Warcraft just basically getting horrible reviews, not being well received, critics don't like it, fans don't like it, new players don't want to play it anymore. The company's just dead. It's just dead, man. And like I said, these are all allegations. That this is going to court. This is the state of California. This isn't some randy cancel culture person on Twitter. This is the actual state of California doing a 2-year investigation. And this was only a slice of 2 years. This stuff that is happening that we have found out has probably been going on for a very, very long time, and just nobody knew about it up until now. At this point, it's really sad to say, but Activision Blizzard's just dead. That company, it's over. And it's really sad because they made some of the greatest PC games of all time. And to see a company that was literally gods in the gaming industry, they were the platinum standard. They were the company that every other games company wanted to be like. To see them fall this far, it's just terrible. But I guess when you're a company that's just been regarded as this untouchable entity for so long, it just starts going to your head and you think you can just get away with doing whatever because who's going to stop you? And I think right now they're going to learn the hard way that anyone could stop them. And it's just pathetic. It's just a pathetic situation and a pathetic company. I guess that's all I am going to say on that. Like I said, the World of Warcraft 3D videos and the Warcraft 3D review are gone from my channel, and for the foreseeable future will probably not be going back up.